Hello and good day. We are Group 9 and in this video our group will be sharing our business proposal for the KLIA Aerotrain Rehabilitation project. This project is all about fixing and upgrading the train system at the airport so passengers can travel smoothly and safely. Our team is made up of dedicated members such as me, Nabila, Fredericks, Melvin, Max and Shelly. Our In this part of our proposal, I will explain the project planning behind the KLIA Aerotrain Rehabilitation project. Let's begin with the problem. The Aerotrain system at KLIA has been experiencing frequent breakdowns. These are mainly caused by an aging system and poor maintenance over time. This not only affects daily airport operations but also cause major delays and invoice for passengers, especially those who rely on the train to move quickly between terminals. So, what's our goal? Our aim is to bring the Aerotrain system back to life, safer, faster, and more reliable than ever before. We want to make sure the train works smoothly every day, so passengers can move around without delay or confusing. Now let's talk about what we are focusing on. Our project includes repair or replacing faulty mechanical and electrical parts, upgrading the control system that run the train, and providing training for KLIA staff who will operate and maintain the system in the future. This action will help prevent the same issue from happening again. At the same time, we have made it clear what is not included in this project. We are not building new terminals and we are not buying entire new aerotrains. This is a rehabilitation project, which means we are focused on improving and restoring what already exists. We are also identifying the key people who involved in this project. These include Malaysia Airport Holding Berhad or MAHB, DOSH, APAD, and also the thousands of passengers who use the train daily. We will work closely with test groups to ensure the project runs smoothly and meets all requirements. To complete this project, we are prepared a total budget of around 4.95 million. This amount will be used to cover every major cost such as labor, diagnostics, inspection, tools and equipment, replacement parts, safety testing, staff training, and a contingency reverse for unexpected issue. We are keep our spending realistic while still focused on long-term reliability. What makes this project special is our commitment. We are committed to safety, making sure everything we install is tested and certified. We are committed to transparency, sharing updates, and working closely with all stakeholders. And we are committed to the environment by recycling all components where possible and using energy efficient system in the upgrades. In short, our project planning is all about fixing what's broken, improving performance, and prepare the system and its people for a better future. We believe this approach will deliver real value to KLIA and every passenger who counts on the aerotrains. Now let's talk about the project schedule. The whole project will take about 21 weeks or 105 working days. We have divided the work into 7 phases. First is inspection and diagnosis, which takes around 15 days. At the same time, we will order parts which takes 25 days. Then we will spend 35 days fixing and replacing the parts. After that, we will calibrate the system for 10 days and test it for another 10 days. In the final phase, we do safety checks and hand over the project. To make sure we stay on the track, we are using critical path method. This helps us the most important tasks like repair and testing that must be done on the time. We also use tools like Gantt charts and microscope project to help us monitor progress and set clear deadlines. With proper planning, teamwork, and time management, we believe we can complete this project successfully. Next, I will pass to the next person. For our KLIA Aerotrain Rehabilitation project, we are organized the schedule into 6 main phases. These include system diagnosis, procurement of parts, repair work, system calibration, testing, and finally commissioning. Each phase follows a strict order to make sure everything runs smoothly and safely. The total project duration is estimated at 21 weeks or about 105 working days. Throughout this time, we are set clear milestones such as identifying all faults, receiving the parts, completing repair, passing safety tests, and handing over the system to KLIA staff. We are using the critical path method, which means we focus on key tasks that must happen in order. If one of these tasks is delayed, the whole project could be pushed back. So we give special attention to these critical activities. To carry out the works, we are assigned skilled teams, arrange the tools ahead of time, and order parts yearly. This helps us avoid unnecessary delays. We are also prepared for risks like supply shortage, or workers' delays. To manage them, we have backup plans such as schedule buffer and real-time tracking in place.
Hello, my name is Max Lorenzo Bin Robert, and today I'll present about project controlling in KLIA Aerotrain Restoration Project. So what is project controlling? It is to show how the project will stay on track, within budget, and meet quality standards. So first thing, we look at performance monitoring and progress tracking. In this project, we set our KPI or key performance indicator that more than 90% on time completion. It means that at least 90% of project to be completed on time. Next is we target less than 5% cost variance. It means that the actual cost should not exceed of the budget by more than 5%. And of course, more importantly, we target zero incidents happen. So real-time progress will be tracked using digital dashboards such as Microsoft Project to visualize task completion rates, resource allocation, and potential bottlenecks. So next is cost variance analysis. In this project, we use the EVM or Earned Value Management technique. So from this slide, we can see that if we calculate the cost variance and the result is negative, it means that the budget is overrun. While if we calculate cost performance index CPI and the result is less than 1, it means that the budget spent inefficiently. So if this variance occurs, the project manager will investigate the root cause and implement corrective action. So next is schedule control and timeline management. In this project, we use the critical path method, CPM, and the project critical path will be tracked daily using updated Gantt charts and float analysis to identify schedule flexibility. So if delay occurs, we will implement fast tracking, overlapping tasks where possible, or crushing. It means that adding resources to the critical tasks. Next is a comprehensive risk assessment has been conducted to identify potential threats to the KLIA Aerotrain Restoration Project. So there are risks that we identified. The first one is technical risk, where the likelihood will be high. Next is supply chain risk, and the likelihood will be medium. Operational risk, and the likelihood is medium. Financial risk, and the likelihood is medium. Environmental or safety risk, where the likelihood would be low. This analysis forms the foundation for developing targeted mitigation strategies. Next is risk mitigation strategies development and contingency plans. So for technical risks, we implemented phase diagnostic using advanced 3D scanning to detect hidden defects. And for supply chain risk, backup suppliers and adjust installation sequences to maintain progress. For operational risk, optimize shift scheduling that aligns with effort of peak hours. These integrated strategies, reviewed weekly through our risk management framework, provide multiple layers of protection while maintaining flexibility to adapt to emerging challenges throughout the project lifecycle. So next is monitoring method or process. So for resource monitoring, we implement a real-time resource tracking system using RFID tags for all major equipment and IoT-enabled tool checkouts. And for cost monitoring, we conduct earned value analysis weekly, comparing actual labor costs against productivity outputs. While for quality monitoring, we deploy wireless sensors to collect real-time performance data during component testing. And time monitoring, we conduct schedule risk analysis weekly using Monte Carlo simulations to predict potential delay scenarios. And for feedback approach, we use the total quality management. For internal feedback mechanism, it includes daily 15-minute debrief sessions where technicians report progress and challenge with issues logged in our computerized maintenance management system CMMS for immediate resolution. For external feedback channels, it ensures stakeholder engagement through monthly executive briefings, regulatory checkpoints with DOSH/APAT, and passenger input via QR code feedback stations at KLIA terminals. Following the PDCA Plan Do Check Act cycle, feedback will drive iterative improvements, planning adjustments, implementing changes, measuring impact via KPIs, and standardizing successful modifications.
Good day. I'll begin with the quality management aspect of the KLIA Aerotrain restoration project. This component is essential to ensure the safety, reliability, and compliance of the Aerotrain system. The project aligns with ISO 9001-2015 for quality and ISO 45001-2018 for safety, while also adhering to DOSH and APAD regulations. The failure of the Aerotrain was largely due to inconsistent preventive maintenance, outdated system, and non-compliance with current operational standards as noted by NAHB in 2023. To address this, we've implemented a structured quality workflow, beginning with a diagnostic inspection, followed by repair or replacement, recalibration, testing, and finally system recommissioning. This flow is supported by daily checks, monthly audits, and the use of load monitoring system for real-time fault detection. Moreover, we adopt root cause analysis and the PDCA cycle for continuous improvement, ensuring that problems are not just fixed but also prevented. All staff are involved in this total quality management approach to reinforce long-term reliability. Ultimately, this ensures not just functional restoration, but a safer and smarter aerotrain system for the future. Now, moving on to the process strategy and layout for the project. Due to complex and non-repetitive nature of restoring the aerotrain, a project-based process strategy is the most suitable. This allows for flexibility, customization, and focused restore allocation for each repair phase. We will utilize specialized equipment such as hydraulic lift, bogie lifters, and diagnostic benches paired with a computerized maintenance management system or CMMS and AI-based diagnostic to improve accuracy and tracking. In terms of layout, a functional layout is chosen where operations are divided into dedicated zones: inspection, repair, and testing. This minimizes material movement and streamlines workflow. We also plan to use temporary modular workshops near the track area to reduce downtime and improve efficiency. Safety remains as a core priority in the layout, with clearly marked emergency exits, PPE station, and ergonomic design consideration to reduce worker fatigue and injury. Together, this integrated process and layout strategy ensure timely repairs, operational safety, and long-term sustainability.
Good day to the distinguished Malaysia Airports Holding Bahar Groups. I am Ferry Parang and I will be honored to present our human resource strategy for the KLIA Aerotrain repair project. For workforce planning, we propose a hybrid approach, combining a core team from AHB with external specialists. This ensures we have both stability and the technical expertise required for specialized repair tasks. Our work schedules will be flexible, using a mix of standard and extended shifts. It includes flex time to maintain high productivity and support staff well-being. Job roles and work rules are clearly defined, so each team members understand their responsibilities and authority, which enhance workflow and accountability. We also implement method analysis tools such as process charts and flow diagrams to streamline repair steps. This ensures every procedure is both safe and efficient. Performance assessment will be ongoing, using KPIs and regular feedback to encourage continuous improvements and recognize outstanding contributions. The health, safety, and environment of our workers are paramount. We emphasize ergonomics, proper PPE, and a safe, compliant work environment at all times. And lastly, our feedback mechanisms include daily briefings and visual dashboards, ensuring open communications and rapid problem solving for the MHB group. And let us see at the job classifications hierarchy for Aerotrain repair project. At top we have project manager, followed by engineering lead and specialist engineers in electrical, mechanical, control systems, and software, and followed by technical specialists and then technicians. And we also have support services lead, followed by safety officers, quality assurance, and logistics coordinators. And that is for human resource strategy. Now let's move forward to our supply chain management strategy, tailored for the Malaysia Airports Holding Bahar Groups. Our approach is integrated sourcing, combining OEMs with certified local suppliers, guaranteeing critical components are always available and minimizing supply risk. We proactively address risk through dual sourcings, buffer stocks, and clear contingency plan, ensuring the project stays on schedule even if disruptions occur. Logistics are streamlined, utilizing air, land, and sea transports as needed, and real-time tracking provide complete visibility and timely deliveries. For inventory management, we use ABC classification and automated alerts, ensuring critical parts are prioritized and stock level remains optimal. Technology and automations are key, with RFID and cloud-based systems offering real-time supply chain visibility and coordination. We monitor supply chain performance through KPIs focused on delivery, quality, and cost, and conduct regular supply evaluations for continuous improvement. Lastly, our waste management system ensures proper segregation, recycling, and full compliance with environmental standards, supporting MAHB's commitment to sustainability. And with that, I will now hand over to the next presenter, Shelley Majin, who will continue with the next sections of our proposal. Thank you, MAHB Group, for your attention.
Good day, my name is Shelley Majin. I'll be presenting on the maintenance and reliability strategies as well as capital budgeting for the KLIA Aerotrain System Restoration Project. Our maintenance strategy combines reactive and predictive approaches. Preventive maintenance will follow a fixed schedule to avoid unexpected breakdowns, while predictive maintenance uses IoT and AI sensor to detect faults in advance. This strategy is designed to improve safety and reduce long-term repair costs. To manage maintenance activity effectively, we will implement a computerized maintenance management system or CMMS. The system will help track work orders, technician performance, and equipment history. It ensures that all tasks are properly documented and completed on time. We will measure system reliability using two key indicators: mean time between failures and mean time to repair. Our goal is to achieve 99% system uptime and complete any repair within 4 hours. This will significantly improve the consistency and safety of the Aerotrain service. To support this, we will integrate advanced tools like digital twins, RFID tracking, and real-time condition monitoring. This technology will speed up diagnostic, improve repair accuracy, and minimize service disruption. An effective maintenance plan will reduce system downtime up to 70% and cut maintenance costs by around 25% over the next 5 years. Most importantly, it will improve passenger satisfaction and maintain KLIA global reputations. For continuous improvement, we will apply the plan, do, check, act cycle and root cause analysis to identify and eliminate recurring issues. We will also train technicians in total productive maintenance and Six Sigma to ensure quality and efficiency. To define system reliability, we will set key criteria: at least 99% uptime, no more than 4 hours for repairs, and full compliance with DOSH and APAD safety standards. We also ensure the system is certified under the ISO 9001:2015. Now let's move on to capital budgeting. The total estimated cost for the project is 4.95 million Malaysian ringgit. This includes inspection, parts, labor, tools, training, and contingency funds. The investment is necessary to restore the system and prevent future failures. The pie chart here shows the project budget allocations. Each cost has a clear purpose. Diagnostic inspection reduce future repair costs. Quality parts ensure durability. Skilled labor ensure the job is done right. Specialized tools improve safety and speed, while training prepares staff for operation, and the contingency funds manage unexpected risks. To conclude, our maintenance and budgeting plans are designed to make the Aerotrain reliable, efficient, and sustainable. With the right tools, technology, and investment, we can ensure the system meets world-class standards and serve passengers smoothly for years to come. Thank you.
In conclusion, the KLIA Aerotrain Restoration Project represents a necessary intervention to restore system reliability and safety. The proposed 105-day restoration addresses mechanical failures and outdated systems through a structured approach. Key outcomes include 70% reduction in downtime, 25% lower maintenance costs over 5 years, full compliance with ISO 9001:2015 and DOSH APAT regulations. The 4.95 million budget includes a 10% contingency for risk mitigation. Implementation will utilize dual switching for critical components, real-time monitoring systems, predictive maintenance technologies. Challenge include temporary passenger inconvenience and supply chain risks, which will be managed through communication strategies and backup suppliers. Success metrics will track system uptime, maintenance efficiency, and budget adherence. This project demonstrates strong validity through documented need, proven methodologies, and measurable outcomes. Recommended improvements include digital passenger communication and advanced staff training. The restoration will ensure long-term operational efficiency for KLIA. Thank you.